Hi guys, Fidadian here. Today I would like to share with you how I learn my frog stand, and I'm working toward handstand. There is so many videos promising handstand in 30 days, handstand in 60 days, but I don't believe this is a safe way to learn. Keep it your handstand for a few seconds and probably hurting yourself. So I found a different way and safe way, which I will show you right now. First is the frog stand. So you use pillow or something soft when you build the balance on your hands. So when you're on your hands, you very easily go in the front. So you're not going to hurt yourself when you build the balance, so you are not going to fall. Then you can use a normal surface. So the idea is make sure you do proper wrist, because it's very demanding on the wrist. On all angles your wrist. So that's the key, your wrist with this handstand, and then try to keep longer and longer standing on your hands. And when you're ready, then you can start lifting one leg at a time. And coming back. So this is the way how I work toward my handstand, frog stand, and then lifting one leg at a time and gradually build a strength. Alright guys, so that's my way of learning to handstand. Thank you guys.